Do you hear that crunch? We are making my favorite fried chicken recipe. Stick around. So we're going to start by heating vegetable oil on high heat. I'm going to fill the cast iron skillet about a third of the way full. And then I am going to rinse my chicken with a little water and some white vinegar. Do y'all rinse y'all's chicken? Let me know down in the comments. So yeah, we're going to rinse our chicken and just make sure that's clean and patted dry. Once our chicken is clean and pat dry, I'm going to season with some salt. I'd say about a half a teaspoon, but you can season to your preference. And then I have a blend of seasonings that I'm going to use. I will have them listed below and the measurements. And I'm going to make sure I get everything coated on all sides. And then in a separate bowl, I'm going to use a cup of flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and then that same blend with the seasonings. I'm also going to add about a third of a teaspoon of salt. Once everything is mixed around, I'm going to get a separate bowl and I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in the other bowl. And then I'm going to add about a half a cup of water. We're basically making a wet and dry mixture for our chicken. Once I have everything mixed together, I'm going to dredge the chicken in the wet batter and then I'll put it into the flour coating and then I'll sit it on the cutting board. Okay, I have not looked back since I started making my chicken this way. I promise you, it is the most crispiest, the most flavorful chicken that you will have. Even after it's cooled down for quite some time, it still has a really big crunch to it. So yeah, just getting everything set up and I'm adding my chicken in. I'm gonna let this cook. I do flip it a couple of times, but in total, I'll cook them about 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes on each side. And this is so good. You guys are going to see in the next couple of clips exactly what I'm talking about. But I'm going to give y'all a little chicken fry and ASMR. One of the ingredients that I do use in my seasoning is ginger powder, and it has my house smelling so fragrant, and it makes the chicken extremely flavorful. So now I am just removing it, and I'm putting on a rack to drain. And you guys, y'all gotta check this out. If you do, let me know how you like it. As always, I appreciate y'all for watching. If you are new here, hey. But you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and all the good stuff. And I will catch you guys in the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.